Well, that's an interesting choice of music. So what is carving by numbers? My name's Mike Davies, and carving by numbers teaches the foundation skills of wood carving using a limited selection of some of the most commonly used wood carving tools. So you learn about the foundation skills with a good selection of foundation tools. We teach 6 basic techniques and we put them into practice on a series of projects that get steadily more challenging as your skills develop. The tool profiles are numbered and are referred to throughout the guidance. Whilst the projects are decorative and can be used in lots of different applications, it's not really about learning how to carve the specific project, how to carve a Tudor rose for example. It's more about drumming in those skills and techniques. So each design requires you to carve in lots of different directions. They require accuracy and repetition. Another barrier to carving is often selecting the right range of tools, and of course it's the price. Carving tools can be expensive, and some of the premium carving tool manufacturers produce literally hundreds and hundreds of different profiles. So naturally there's a cost associated with producing such a massive selection of tools, and also there's a cost associated for a retailer to stock them. And in some cases a premium branded carving tool, one carving tool can be anywhere between $40 to $50 US. And so I'm really proud to work with Record Power. Record Power is based in the UK, not far from my hometown, and they've got a rich history in tool making. So Record Power has helped to create this dedicated range of tools that's specifically designed to be compatible with the carving by numbers education and projects. And because this is the only range that we produce, and it's only sold in sets, it helps us to drive the price down, both from a manufacturing perspective and for the retailer. And it means that the end result is the individual carving tools work out less than half or even a third of the price of some other brands. And that's certainly not a compromising quality. In actual fact, in a recent test in end grain oak, they performed incredibly well and ranked in the top 3 for durability and quality of steel. So the education is available, compatible and complementary with each set of tools, plus over 3,000 design and project ideas at carvingbynumbers.com. So I do hope that helps to explain what this is all about, and I hope you join us to develop your woodworking skills.